it's Naomi and I'm back with another video, and today we have king crab and head-on shrimp, and I'm also going to be cooking the habanero noodles. I'm going to give y'all a close-up. And then I have some Alfredo sauce right here. It's basil Alfredo sauce. And then I'm going to get my shrimp cooking because it's not cooked fully yet. I was going to cook them with the noodles, so yeah. And then I'm going to add some butter. I already put some seasonings in there. Okay, we're going to let that cook. And while that cooks, I'm going to try the... Oh, I forgot to tell you my drink. I have some cold water. And then I have a pina colada naked. And then, I don't know if I said it, I have some lemons and cucumbers, and yeah. Let's get started. I'll give y'all a close-up. Ooh, that looks so good. My sauce kind of got a little cold, but it's okay. And these are the extra hot hot Cheetos, the extra hot, the black bag, so it's kind of spicy. It's so good. I also have some cheese that I'm gonna put on the ramen. Oh, these shrimp are huge. Let me try it with some lemon. Oh, I forgot. With the lemon, oh my gosh, y'all gotta try it. So good. Let's check on these shrimp. Ooh. They look pretty much done. Let's try one. It's very hot. Y'all ever like always wash your hands like really hot water so your hands are like accustomed to hot stuff? Let's try it. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these are done. These are so good. Let me take these shrimp out. I was gonna cook it with this, like the habanero noodles, but I kind of don't want them to be that spicy, so. Let me get y'all a close up of this. That looks so yummy. Where's the piece I was already eating? Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. All I did was put Tony seasoning and butter. And it is so good. Let me check my noodles. They're about done. I think I'm only gonna put like half the pack. That's good. Let's see how yummy that looks. Whew, let me try them. What am I blowing? No, I was just blowing in the air. Let me put the cheese on it. Oh, that's so good. I can taste the shrimp with the habanero, with the lime. It's so good. I probably got stuff all over my face. Mmm. Look how cute this cup is though. So cute. Let me try this. I already know that was about to be good. Pineapple, coconut with seafood. Yum. That was so creamy. So good. It's hard to talk when you grubbing like this. I be wanting to say something, but it's like I'm trying to get to eating my food. I can't do both. And it tastes so good without nothing. Like I didn't boil. I air fry all of these crab legs, so I didn't like boil it with seasonings like I did the shrimp. But by itself, it still tastes so good. Oh my gosh. If you don't like slurping, if you don't like smacking, get off this video. This video is not for you. If you don't like ASMR, this video is not for you. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to use chopsticks no more. Oh my gosh, that just flung everywhere. Okay. I have so much flavor. Yo, I'm getting full. I forgot to put the lemon. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna save these for my hubby. Eat one more shrimp and then I'm done because I'm getting so full. Okay. That was so good. But I'm gonna leave the rest for my hubby. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. It's open. Oh, thank you. Come here.
We can say hi, guys.
Yes, you can say hi, guys. Look what she made me. Aww. You want some of this?
Yes. Noodles. Yeah, noodles.
Here, let's try one of these on camera.
Okay. I don't know how to. Wow.
So good.
Yeah, chips.
Wait, we gotta say one for Daddy.
Dad.
Okay, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Talk to you later.
See you later.